lot of science going on today. We got me doing biomole, Doug doing astrobeat. So the scientific team is in California. The payload control center is in Huntsville, and of course I'm here. Pretty cool stuff.
Station Huntsville, space to ground 2 for Chris and Cryochiller.
Recording in the name of science. Fecal processing complete. We're working with foam, and this is the FSO. Let's go for it.
And just make sure that the liquid is in the bottom of the tube. You can just do that by giving it a flick of your wrist.
I think all of the things we're working on are applicable not only to life in space, but translate to Earth in some way. We're certainly working on life support systems on the International Space Station that will help keep crews safe as they go beyond low Earth orbit. And that can translate to health systems on Earth as well. It's a really robust science program that we have up here, and I think you'll find a lot of benefits coming back to Earth.
So busy day of science on board the International Space Station.
Subscribe for more space.